Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do monthly love reading for Air sign Aquarius for the month of November. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Aquarius, your first card for the reading. Okay. Death. And second card, King of Cups. Third card, Queen of Swords. Yeah, one person in this connection undergoing some transformation. Death is spiritual awakening. Some transformation is going in your life or your personal life. Energy could be vice versa. You or your person could be Scorpio also. And King of Cups, yeah, and Queen of Swords. In this connection, two opposites. One person is very straightforward and one person is emotional. Yeah, two opposites are in this connection. It could be you or your person, I think it could be you have so much emotions for you, so many emotions for your person, and Queen of Swords, but your person is very straightforward. Or it could be you also, both, because you have very strong emotions and you also very straightforward and honest. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonates, leave the rest. So let's see. Ace of Swords, Ten of Wands, Queen of Wands. Wow, I think it's you. You start something new in your life. And Queen of Wands and Ten of Wands. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Ace of Swords, some communication is coming in your way. And Queen of Wands, definitely you stand by your power. I think it's you. Queen of Swords with Queen of Wands. You are very passionate about everything what you want, and you are very straightforward and you are very honest, Aquarius. But someone in this connection feeling like overburdened due to any reason. It could be work related or relationship related, whatever. So let's see. The Star, Ten of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles. Wow. I think you stand by your power. You are working towards your goals and career, because Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles. Definitely it is being single energy. You stand by your power. You are not dependent anymore on anyone for emotionally or financially, and you are working towards your goals, Ten of Pentacles, and you will get success also there. And yeah, the Star, definitely you seeing very positive things in your life right now, Aquarius. In career-wise, whatever you seeing very. But if you are waiting for your person communication, definitely that will also. Ace of Swords is here. So let's see some more. Okay. Wow, see, Ten of Cups. Very positive reading. Aquarius, Four of Cups, Princess of Cups. Yeah. Four of Cups and Ten of Cups. I think for some there is separation, very few. It is partial separation, or like taking break with each other, like this. And Ten of Cups, definitely your wishes are going to be fulfilled. And Princess of Cups, you are very clear about what you are thinking and what you are doing, because Princess of Cups is clarity, and you are trusting your intuition. Definitely your emotions are very high. You are very emotional person. I think it's you. You are very emotional and you stand by your power. And if anybody doesn't serve you what you deserve, definitely you cut them off. I think your person in past doesn't put as much as effort as you put in this connection. That's why you cut them off. For some it is Four of Cups. That's why your person will offer the cup of love, but you are not accepting the cup of love which is offered by your person, because you are in this state. You are in your full of control. So let's see your person current feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Two of Swords, Queen of Swords, Page of Swords. Yeah, there are some crossroads, some communication issues between both of you. I think you both are stubborn. You both are having some ego problems also, I'm getting, because Queen of Swords in both sides. So this is the like situation. Yeah, you don't want to talk to me. Yeah, I don't also talk to me, like I don't want to talk to you, that type of situation. But your person is spying on you on social media. Definitely Page of Swords and spying. I think you will both communicate, definitely. But your person is at some crossroads. They has to make some decision. They has to make some decision. Your person has to make some decision because some crossroads. All air energy, communication. You or your person, maybe Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy, Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. All energies are here. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Aquarius, Temperance, Wheel of Fortune. Wow, 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to offer stability to this connection. They are waiting for the change and they are waiting for the time to come towards you. They are waiting for the right time, because temperance means patience and balance is needed in this connection, because there is no patience and there is no balance between both of you. So your person waiting for the right moment to come towards you. Definitely they are waiting for the time to come, because Wheel of Fortune, things are turning in your person's favor. They are waiting for this time and they want to offer this stability to you. Yeah, they want to offer this stability. Some communication you will receive from your person, and but you are doing fantastic job, because you are working towards your goals. Definitely you will get success. So let's see, let's pull some cards from universe where this connection in near future will headed. Okay, the Empress, 8 of Cups. Let's see some more. 7 of Pentacles, Magician. I think your person could be manipulative, something like that. They are playing mind games with you. That's why you walked away in this from this connection. Aquarius, because you invest a lot in this connection. 7 of Pentacles, you only the person who put a lot of effort in this connection. But once you walked away, definitely you stand by your power. You are now like this Empress. Yeah, you stand by your power. You are very caring, but your person now trying to manifesting you back in their life. Magician energy, or it could be you in your life, like manifesting career, job, whatever you want, because you are in very good flow in energy in this month, Aquarius. This is very, very powerful month for you. But your person, I think you walked away already, but your person want to work on this relationship. They are waiting for the right moment to come towards you. They are trying to manifest you back in their life, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the month of November. 6 of Swords, 10 of Swords, and 4 of Swords. Lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Aquarius, it is about you all. Yeah, 4 of Swords. You are not talking to your person in near future, because you are undergoing some healing state, some meditation state. And for 6 of Swords, definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. And 10 of Swords. Yeah, for some you completely give up, for some you still want rebirth in this connection. So it's up to you to give second chance or not. Definitely your person will come towards you. At least you will get some communication from your person, and yeah, they are waiting for the right moment to come towards you, Aquarius. But you are undergoing some healing process. Definitely after healing you will be like this Empress. So let's see your person overall energy for the month of November. 10 of Cups, Page of Pentacles, 6 of Swords. 2 times 6 of Swords. Definitely some communication, and this could be long distance relationship also. And Page of Pentacles. Yeah, at least some small communication also you will get. And then it will become like back and forth communication between both of you. Yes, you will receive some messages from your person. And 10 of Cups. They want this happiness with you, and they want to marry you, and they want to commit to you. Yeah, they are very clear about their intention towards you and towards this connection, but they are waiting for the right moment to come towards you, Aquarius. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy and lot of earth energy. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, and Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy. Yeah, they are waiting for their time to come. They are waiting for the right moment to come towards you, Aquarius. Yeah, they want to offer stability this time. So temperance is here. You or your person could be Sagittarius, but patience is needed in this connection right now, because temperance means patience and balance. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. You will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for the support and your love. Bye.